Does control change your formulation game? Control starts with game-changing strategies that anticipate possible disruptions before they become a problem. Challenge 1. Formulation development and optimization. Successful formulation results in a drug product that is stable, soluble, and shows a high degree of reproducibility in the body. Our exceptional portfolio of over 400 excipients, combined with the expertise of people who know what to change and what to keep the same, reinforces confidence in the integrity of your work. Challenge 2. The only constant is change. Novel modalities, as well as new manufacturing technologies such as continuous manufacturing and 3D printing, call for new formulation solutions. Of the many critical choices made throughout the formulation and development process, the control of release kinetics is key to proper administration and delivery. The use of lipids and polymers as excipients allows for more precise control of release kinetics and active targeting, resulting in drugs requiring fewer injections and therefore providing greater comfort to patients. Our broad portfolio of excipients gives you the flexibility to solve your complex formulation challenges, all supported by a global network of application labs and excipient experts. Challenge 3. More scrutiny and risk management. Disruptions come in known challenges and unexpected obstacles. With increasing regulatory requirements, an excipient might suddenly fall out of regulatory compliance. Increase control and maximize the predictability in your formulation with multi-compendial products and global regulatory expertise. Rely on us as your proactive excipient partner, ensuring that you always meet the respective requirements. Our Emprove program brings full supply chain transparency and migrates your risk assessment and management to an online program where comprehensive documentation can be accessed. Disruption is inevitable, but how well you maintain control can be a game changer. We're Merck, and we're changing the rules on disruption.